out here. We came here in 2015 when we came last time, and we wanted to go to the top of the building because it's the tallest building in Hong Kong. We want to get the best view of Hong Kong, but you have to pay to get up. So we decided to make our own way around. So we're standing outside the ICC. Trying to gauge like where we enter and if there's a better entrance spot than last time. But I think we're gonna go the same entrance. The ICC / Sky 100 is this way. Going up the top here. Walking towards the restaurant now. Are you even that hungry though? Could you wait a couple hours? Because there's gonna be food in the meeting.
I want to change lenses, but this is not subtle.
Thank you so much.
Vegetarian looks good.
It's expensive. Cheers. But my question is, how are we going to get out of this? So we'll just say we're not hungry? Do you want to say it? Scissors, paper, rock. Scissors, paper, rock. We're actually not that hungry. We'll finish the water, but we'll keep the menu. If we feel a bit hungry, we can stay here for a bit because we have a bit of time. If that's okay.
Okay.
Perfect. So we'll just keep one menu if that's okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So Mikhail's gonna go find some shots with the Sony. Here it is. I thought the suits were going to be incognito, but we're sticking out like a sore thumb.
Here. Thank you. It's good, isn't it?
What on earth?
Look at that. Oh, should have come to this restaurant. Currently in the Italian restaurant now, and so far so good. Had a little bite to eat, and it's the most expensive water we've had in our life.
Guess how much the water was?
Water was 20 Australian.
30.
We'll go to the toilet. I've lost Patrick, this is terrible. Clap your hands now.
So we're currently just standing here getting a lot of looks, but a lot of looks, but we just figured out that the main reason why no one's like really told us to leave is these suits. It's just like access, definitely like just a buffer, like they're like, oh wait, they should be fine kind of thing. So just standing here for a while taking this incredible view. Hey Matt. Would you rather pay $36 Australian to go up to Sky 100 Observatory or do this?
I think we'll just come up for free and check it out.
Done.
Exactly.
Unreroute the rivers, let the damned water beat. There's some people down the way that's thirsty.
So we've been standing here for about 7 minutes now. No one's kicked us out. People have been looking behind us.
Oh yeah, there was 2 regulars looking at us directly.
But not kicked out, so right now it's a successful trip. This is an incredible view. You can see the whole of Hong Kong Island. It's actually not that big. It's actually really small. You can see the whole of Kowloon, Kai Tak. Behind us is new territory, so we're going to go there next. This is how efficient a lens changeovers are. 3, 2, 1. Currently inside the lobby, still up on the top floor, trying to figure out what we want to do next. We got the shots, that was our first objective. Second objective was to find Vincent. I don't think Vincent's on duty right now. We're looking at the menus now. It's quite expensive. One steak is 1,000 Hong Kong dollars. How much is that? So yeah, we just paid 20 something bucks for water. So, the best water I've ever tasted. It's incredible. And the view, but 20 bucks. So we ate down there last time. And the waiters were like looking at us all the time. We were thinking that we were like definitely sticking out and like we're just doing a loop. We just wanna, I don't know, I'm bored. We're going up to the spa now. Down to the spa. I don't know what to do. Yeah, we're just looking around, sorry.
Oh wow. Yeah. It is for a interesting sort of massage.
Currently inside the spa gift store. We're trying to see as many things we can now. It's just a dark hallway.
Come with me, come with me. Straight there is the toilet. Shower.
Not toilet.
Sauna. Spa. Changing room.
There's a mist shower. Today I was just taking a shower. Apparently, the thing wasn't really anything you should have done. We just came out and we were just like, speechless. So I'm gonna go in. I'm not gonna film myself, but I'm just gonna. Yep, that was incredible. That is incredible. We just had a shower, and it wasn't a shower. It was a fucking experience. We got 3 settings: tropical rain, body spray, or arctic mist. So I think speechless.
Just all have something to eat.
It's an ultra bomb killer. Killer. It's an ultra bomb killer.
Why not? Can you get a muesli biscuit in there?
Plain yogurt or plain yogurt?
I'll have a plain yogurt with a muesli inside, please.
It's an ultra bomb killer. It's an ultra bomb killer. It's an ultra bomb killer.
Very successful.
Ridiculously successful. We just then going there to get the shot, but we got everything else. Dude, that's quite a nice view.
That was a
Should we try to
fairly
get
nice
up?
view.
And should we try to go up and
I think we just did that for 3 hours straight.
and paid only 20 Hong Kong dollars to
20 Australian dollars to have some nice walnuts and
water.
crystal bloody cold water. I'd call that a successful mission, I think, because as far as I'm concerned, our main objective was to first get the shots. Next stop, Innovations Tower. Straight over through there. That was an incredible. Enablement.
Currently inside Polytechnic University of Hong Kong. We don't know what's going on. I'm trying to find a bathroom. So we found out what the Polytechnic University specializes in. Polyester fabrics. I'm an interior designer.
We are live. So we came to the
You're all fine!
I will say,
Yes, oh my god. I don't want to do this.
yeah, here.
I don't want to do it, Mr. Ming. I know it's a million.
So we decided that the first Mrs. Meeting Room was too shitty, so we found another one so we can actually discuss some ideas. So,
What you first gotta do is gotta turn up the difficult, down the difficult, peaceful mode. Find the witch you got, like, it's gonna look like a lot like this. That's witch you got, right? I can actually, is that a,
oh, just make sure it's fine on iPhone. Like I've got the latest one, it's the iPhone 8, no, sorry, 11. The one thing you want to do is you want to expat the file. Expatting the file.
be chill.